Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar held a meeting with religious leaders to express solidarity amid tensions between India and Pakistan. He thanked them for their support and condemned terrorism, emphasizing efforts to maintain law and order in Meghalaya. The leaders affirm their commitment to peace and backed the union government. Education Minister Rakam Sangma urged citizens to stand united and pray for the armed forces, while Power Minister A.T. Mondal asserted that terrorism has no place in the country.
Terrorism, condemned terrorism, not only in India, anywhere in any part of the world. We have to condemn the terrorism. So, here we belong to a different community, different religion, different language. Even then also belongs to one nation. We belong to one nation. Keeping that view, our invitation have been accepted today, and all of you had come, and whatever the call was there from the union government, that you have been honored, and the decision taken by the union government after this Pahalgam issue, and whatever the decision taken by the union government, wholeheartedly all of you have been supported.